Alright, so on this 1999 Infiniti G20, it was having a problem where the engine misfires. So we did a compression test on it, and cylinder 1, 2, and 4 came out good with around 150. But cylinder 3 held no compression, so we decided to do a cylinder leak down test. And the test came out good, but we did hear a little bit of air come out the oil cap. So what we did is we took out the valve cover, we took out the camshaft, and we seen that the rocker arm had fallen out of place. And if we inspect further, we could see that the lifter is stuck. It doesn't want to compress. Because if we compare it to another lifter, this is how it should be working. So the cause was that the lifter is stuck. So to resolve it, all we would have to do is buy a new lifter and put it all back together.